Hey, I use my Remarkable quite a lot, and I was having some issues with trying to draw lines. One, try to get it stable, and if you draw a line with a ruler like this, it won't work. Like aluminium or metal, things like that, it just doesn't draw a line. I think it has to do with the sensitivity inside, so it doesn't make it register. So I was thinking, let's use like just simple wood, and then you will see it will work. If you just draw by hand, it's quite hard to make a really good line. So it always looks a little bit shitty when you draw lines. So I made this one. It's very simple, it costs you nothing, so nobody can charge you like hundreds of dollars for a stupid linear thing like this. It's really easy. You make some soft, I put some filter there so it makes it easy to slide, doesn't scratch. So now I can really easily just slide along my tablet, easily draw my lines. I don't scratch my Remarkable, and it's an easy fix to do these things. So really simple, you can make it yourself, costs you under $5 to make it, €5, $5, quite easy to do.